Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
以為可以入大學讀書，點而家又賣翻版？
哦，係咩？
我覺得好煩嘅，成日都要買呢樣買嗰樣。最近單嘢點啊？
我都唔知點答你好。
Affirmative，收到。We got them. We got them.
Inspector Tang, this is Wei. Fangshan is down. Popstar will have to reach out to another supplier. I'm thinking we bag them both at once.
I agree.
Now, if I'm gonna get close to him, I'm gonna need a good disguise. Can you have your people send something over?
All right. Keep me informed.
Got it.
Listening. Every time I go to bed, I hear you two. You're selfish and he has no sense of timing.
Ma, stop it. I don't want to.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kinda guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a kung fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far.
I can give you a ride.
I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way, or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
What? Can I help you? Oh, I wish I lived your life.
So what brings you to Hong Kong? You thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college and I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front yet. But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. You know, I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that. I wouldn't say that. You know, I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street, always buckle your seatbelt, and only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, you know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Well, not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist.
Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
一、二、三、四。
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some kung fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwok. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu. I see time in America has rusted your skills. Apparently it's rusted your concentration too. All men must lose sometimes. Not arrogant tourists. I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Songong Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Oh, Jade Rat. The Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12. One for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen by a former student, corrupted by the triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
Finally.
You got the money?
You got the stuff? Let me see the stuff.
Of course I got the stuff. Think I come to a drug deal without drugs? My shit is the best. Check it out.
Money's on the boat. Follow me.
Nah, she's fucking me out of China. Oh shit. I saw him and smuggled her out of there.
you.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing down here?
I live here. I gotta sleep. Get too bored. Drunk.
Get out of here!
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta.
Oh, God! That's disgusting! Oh, shit! $5 keys, $50,000 each.
Bullshit. 10 keys at 35.
You're a cheat. My stuff is worth twice that. These are old friend prices.
I'm not your old friend. 35.
You bring me all the way out here to waste my time? Am I some Taiwanese street merchant? Smuggler Hong doesn't hack.
No?
No. 50. Maybe I scratch up another 5 keys for you by Tuesday.
40.
Fuck you. 48 or I sell it all at 18K. They don't got a problem with aim.
Did you get Popstar supplier?
I got him, but so did Popstar. 2 shots in the chest.
Damn.
Shuts down the drug pipeline, at least. And I'm giving you Popstar on a platter. I got the deal and the double cross on camera.
Good work, Wei. Thanks. With Popstar gone, Sun On Yi is down to only one supplier. The bottleneck will create a lot of tension inside the triad. Watch your back, Wei.
Great.
Charged Popstar and his top lieutenants. Conspiracy, trafficking, possession, and murder. They'll get life. And we've seized what looks like an entire month's supply. Thanks, Wei. You've done more to stop drugs coming into Hong Kong than half the narcotics squad combined.
I know you want fish balls.
Excellent. You'll see, these things work wonders. My curry fish balls will blow your mind!
Hey, what can I do for you? Oh, I wish I could live your life just for one day.
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. I must confess, I was surprised to see you back. I had hoped that you might have escaped Hong Kong. Escaped its influences, its problems.
We took them with us when we left. So coming back didn't change much.
Are you ready to confront them now?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like to learn? Your new nickname is even more people true.
冚家產一齊走，我要同你玩下。
I yearn for the days when my students were really bad.
喂，你而家做乜嘢啊？
Have you no pride, Ming?
喂，你而家做乜嘢啊？
Your ancestors called. They like to disown you.
冚家產一齊走。
Don't like that. Ancient master. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
我哋其他一個互幫整蠱。多謝老闆，好生意啊！
你點做？你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命。知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？要踢屎忽鬼㗎！夠膽過嚟啊！
Wait! Get over here now.
What's going on, Winston?
It's Benny, manager of Club Bam Bam, old friend of mine. Now he's working for Dog Eyes. That ham is getting back at us for taking his minibus route.
Look, I'll go talk to Benny, make him see reason.
Yeah, wait, you go do that.
Are you gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing? You don't look like you can afford to be here. We got standards to keep up.
I got money, don't worry. I'm sure we can work something out.
You make a good point. Have a good night, sir.
Hello, long time no see. That's boring. 股票仍然唔係幾好，啲電車成日都咁逼嘅。
我行先啦，等陣再見啦。
Wow! Hey!
Hey, buddy. VIPs only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Whoa, damn. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah.
Well, Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time. Come on. Sing me a song.
Hey.
Oh, okay.
我冇錢啊！我冇錢啊！
Wow, you're actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
嘿，老友記。
I wish the sesame singer was Joe who walked in the stove.
Bye, Wei.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should leave.
He wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know, and I'll take care of it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
我覺得你搞錯咗喎！我覺得你搞錯咗喎！賴啊！我覺得你搞錯咗喎！你想死啊？放手！你老母啊！打柒你咯！
Benny, get the fuck out of here! Benny, I know you're in there!
嚟啦，仆街！記住啊！搞翻下佢！
Benny,
矛底啊！你睇個撚嘢！屌你屎忽啊！拎佢落垃圾桶！你一定會後悔！記住啊！我哋可以打贏㗎！快啲！我等我呢日好耐㗎啦！如果我，肯定你今日冇運行啦！話你知啊，你實死硬啊！Wrong move！ 仆街！哇！打咪打啦！你以為我咬底啊？我哋可以做好啲嘅。夠姜你開拖啦，笨！
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.
You're late.
Conroy's still watching me. He's got a real hard on.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? I mean, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wei. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wei, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wei, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.